everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Divya. So most of you all asked me whether we can do dot mandala painting on paper. So here I am. In today's video I am going to show you all how to create this squirrel shaped dot mandala painting on paper. So do watch the video till the end. And guys, I see most of you are still watching my videos without subscribing. So please do subscribe and press that bell icon for more upcoming videos. So without any further delay, let's get started. Materials you're gonna need are black paper sheet of 200 GSM, acrylic paints, compass, protractor and dotting tools. So here I have taken 8-inch black sheet of 200 GSM thickness. So you need to use a thick sheet for painting this dot mandala. Then using a protractor, I am marking the grid lines. So for this painting, I have taken 12 segments, each at 30 degrees angle. Next I am setting the compass at 1 inch distance and I am drawing a circle. And now I am setting the compass to the distance of the width of the previous circle and I am drawing a half circle. So keep drawing half circles until you get a squirrel pattern. Later I have set the compass to 2.5 inch and I am drawing an outer circle like this. So after drawing a circle, then erase all the lines which are beyond the circle. Now let's start dotting. So first I have started dotting the inner and outer circles and followed by the outlines of the squirrel pattern. I'll provide all the materials links in the description box. You can check out from there. Then using orange acrylic color, I will keep dots inside the squirrel pattern alternatively, leaving 2 lines in between. Now I am placing yellow color dots in the next squirrel lines. So I am keeping few more dots in between the previous dots to fill all the gaps. Next I am placing red color dots inside the remaining lines. You need to make sure to fill all the gaps inside the squirrel pattern with different sizes of dotting tools. And now for the inner circle, I will keep white color dots first. And then I am placing red swipes. So as you can see, I am first placing a dot and then I am pulling it to a swipe towards the center. So now I'll keep few yellow and orange color dots to fill in the gaps in between. So enjoy the process. So now for the outer circle, I am placing dots using flesh tint color. Then I will keep yellow dots around it. And then followed by the red and white dots. please do press that like button so that my videos will reach to more audience. It may cost you nothing but will help me to grow my channel. So please do press that like button. So coming to the video, here I am placing few white dots around the red color dots. So for the next layer, I am placing few yellow color dots. Similarly, I am again repeating it with few dots using white color. So as you can see, I am placing few more dots in between using red, yellow, white and orange colors. And guys, if you have any doubts regarding this dot mandala painting, do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely answer all your doubts. Next I am placing few white swipes following the previous dots. So here I am placing few more swipes using red color. Similarly, I am placing orange color swipes. So finally, I am finishing the painting with few more red dots over the white ones. And that's it guys, that's the final look. This is how you can easily do dot mandala painting even on a paper. I hope this video was helpful. If you like my videos, then give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.